Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to hit the lower right corner over here. Then you want to go to the top and click the gear icon. After we're at the menu, I want you to click on Meta Account Center, the first option over here. Then when you're at the account center, I want you to click on the personal details. If you can see the second option at the account settings. When you're at personal details, I want you to hit the last option, which is account ownership and control. Now, the two options that we've been left over here is deactivation or deletion. Let's click on this. So the options that you have over here will be simply to deactivate or delete all the Instagram pages and Facebook accounts that are currently linked to the multi-login system. So the main difference in between will be that when you deactivate your account, nothing of your information will be lost. You simply not going to be able to be found when people look for you. People put your handle, people put your profile, well, simply they're not going to be able to find you because your account will be deactivated. You know how sometimes you see people on Messenger and their profile picture is disappeared, right? They're still there. They're active. You can message them. They didn't block you, but their profile picture disappeared and you cannot find them on Facebook. This is because they simply deactivate their Facebook account, but they kept their Messenger. So if you choose the second option, which is the deletion, after you click delete your account, you will have up to 30 days to go back and log in. The login will simply act as a recovery of your account. If you don't log in within 30 days after you click delete, well, your account will be simply wiped out and all the data and files essentially will be gone. Pro tip over here, I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this, but if you really want to delete your Facebook account or Instagram account, you probably want to download your data, right? And this is not happening simultaneously, unfortunately. You gotta put up a request, and this request, it will take a while, right? You have to submit the request in advance before you clicking delete your account. And after they provide you with a special link, Facebook will provide you with a special link where you can log in and download all of your information. And they're gonna give you between 3 or 4 days to do so. After these 3 or 4 days expire, the link will expire and you're not gonna be able to log in and download the files. So I understand it is kind of complicated, but this is how the Meta process currently works after the recent updates. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.